Today we are harvesting vegetables to cook for pinakbet. Pinakbet is a Filipino dish that originated from the Ilocos province of the Philippines. The word pinakbet came from the Ilocano word pinakbet.
It's pinakbet.
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 Yes.
The word pinakbet means shrunk or shriveled. Pinakbet is made of mixed vegetables, steamed in fish sauce or bagoong. The main ingredients for pinakbet are Asian vegetables. These vegetables aren't available in the local grocery stores. This is why we grow these vegetables here at the AZ Garden Triangle, so that we can cook authentic pinakbet in the AZ kitchen. It's time to harvest the vegetables to cook pinakbet. Have you cooked pinakbet before, and did you love it? Let us know in the comments section down below. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. To those who are already subscribed, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Rest assured that we'll do the same. We're looking forward to a long-lasting friendship. Do you also grow yard-long beans in your backyard? How do you grow them? If you trellis them, what kind of trellis do you use? Here at the AZ Garden Triangle, we use cattle panel trellis to support our vining vegetables. We got this idea from Jess of Roots and Refuge Farm. She's one of our inspirations. Kevin of Epic Gardening inspired us to use Beardy raised beds. We grow 3 varieties of eggplant. This one is Chinese string eggplant. We bought the seed from Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Company. is a korbachi pepper. Have you ever grown korbachi pepper in your garden? I'm always amazed by how long it is. Sometimes it even traps itself in the trellis. Do you see how long it is? Before we go to the AZ kitchen, let's take some pictures of our harvest for our Instagram. We have an Instagram account, plant.tropics. You can find it linked in the description down below. Now let's go to the AZ kitchen. This is how we cook pinakbet the Ilocano way. First, let's wash the vegetables. And then we cut them into pieces. Next, we put them in the pot. It doesn't really matter what order you put them in. We browned the pork first to bring out the flavor. After putting in all the vegetables, we add the pork. Next, we put in our onion, garlic, and ginger. And then a Knorr cube for additional flavor. Next we add our bagoong. And some magic syrup to make it delicious. Now, let's cover it. Take note that we didn't add any water. Let's let it simmer for 30 minutes. We normally don't open it, but we realized that we forgot the tomatoes. When it's halfway done, we shake the pot. Now the pinakbet is ready. It's time to serve the pinakbet. And of course, with a cup of rice. Mangan tayon kakabsat. Let's eat! Salamat po sa supporta!